It is no gainsaying that Lagos State government is passionate about addressing unemployment issues in the state. This is why the government has embraced genuine efforts to reduce unemployment to the barest minimum. One of such is this career workshop designed to expose unemployed graduates to employability training, which will enable them secure jobs of their choices.
The youth require knowledge on how to search and secure lasting jobs and to possess relevant skills needed for present work and in readiness for future work. Acquiring the skills call for self-development, true determination, and taking advantage of the light of this opportunity provided by knowledge exchange center.
There is a mismatch in the labor market. The skills that graduates have right now is not what employers want or have. So what we do is to build their capacity, help them have the right skills that employers want. And so with this workshop is to introduce them to the skills the employer wants and also to match them with labors of employment as employers so that they can get employed.
The workshop emphasized on critical thinking, reasoning and creative skills, passion for achievement and success value, time management and team spirit, among others.
It just shows us that most of the reasons why we don't get called or most of the reasons why people don't get the job they need or job they want is because they don't have the right knowledge about what is needed, you understand, to get that particular job.
I really learned so many things from, as in job hunting and how to develop my skills, of which I have really put it in practice.
I've learned a lot about CV writing, about how you can craft your CV to get attention from employers. I've learned so many things about how you can put on a good attitude before going for an interview.
They should be determined to make a career path for themselves. They should be able to develop themselves, take opportunities that comes through this kind of gatherings so that they'll be well equipped to face challenges in life.
The ministry, as part of its mandate, says it will be organizing a mindset reorientation program and employability skills training for unemployed graduates soon. Olajumoke Yewumi, LTV News.